Sunday morning. I woke up a little late. Woke up cranky. And the crankiness just continued to become my mood. Different factors. I don't live alone, so, you know, we're all just people. Getting my mirror set up so I can do my makeup and chat with you guys. I am getting ready for church, and I figured I'd do like could get ready with me for Sunday, like how my Sunday mornings are. This is the most realistic Sunday morning. I have my makeup in this pouch that I got from TJ Maxx. I'm just trying to find the best spot for it. Sure, here. I just quickly did my hair in like this bun. I really need to do something with it. I think I'm just gonna straighten it. I don't know if I mentioned it here, if I just mentioned it on my TikTok, but I was trying to do like the rest of this year just curly hair, my natural hair, but it is not one easier. There's so much more work and I don't feel like myself, so I'm gonna straighten it. I'm going back to the little straight hair, back to an easy life. I feel like lately I've been trying to upload more. We're working on it. I'm trying not to put pressure on myself to upload more if it doesn't happen. Just trying to just take it video by video. I do have my judges recap. I have to film that. So that should be coming soon. And yeah, I've been trying to also like just share more in the moment things. Like if I'm deciding I'm gonna Bible journal, share that. So I did a little YouTube short the other day doing that. Oh look, the sun's back up. I did a YouTube short kind of showing you a different, like I tried a different Bible journaling technique kind of. Not my favorite. I've been trying to find my Bible journaling style. And I think I'm just gonna, like I was looking back at some of my other notes, like what I did, and I think I'm gonna try and replicate that. It's just like, depending where I'm at in my life, my Bible journaling style has changed a lot, depending on my season, but I really liked how I was taking notes last year and the year before, like randomly when I was doing in-depth studies and stuff. I just feel like they made more sense, and they were like I could flip to that page and right away see what note went with what verse, and just kind of it just made more sense. Oh, I didn't fill up my paper. So currently for my church, I go to a small church. We just have the one service. We've done a lot of different things. We just recently got a new pastor, and so we're trying out like doing different classes for specific groups, which I just realized I did not fill out that survey. Remembered what I wanted to say. I've been trying to switch up my content. I think I mentioned a little bit of that, you know, doing more of that like Bible journaling and all that stuff. I'm also trying to do other content kind of like this, where you guys can just kind of get to know me and just kind of see how I'm walking in faith or not in faith every day in every aspect of my life. Just kind of showing like how, you know, sometimes I struggle too, or how I have a cranky day too. Because I think it's easy to look on social media and see everyone's perfect Instagram stories and their perfect post and their videos. It makes them, especially doing like Bible journaling videos, I don't want people to think that, wow, I'm so spiritual and I read my Bible every single day and I never miss it and I've arrived, because I have not. Believe me, there are days where I don't read my Bible. There are days where I am not my best self. I have in no way arrived at all, not even close. And that's real life. Like, I'm learning and growing just as much as anyone else is. So, am I in the same place as I was when I was like 21? Absolutely not. Praise the Lord. But just knowing that, you know, change does happen, and everyone changes in a different pace. And also, like, it's all about, like, how much are you surrendering to the Lord? Are you giving him an inch and expecting a full transformation? Are you holding on to friends or people, or not setting boundaries with people that the Lord wants you to, because they might be stunting your growth, keeping you in this world versus helping you grow in the Lord. I know I had to do that when I was younger, just really cut a lot of people out of my life. And I wish I would have gone about it differently, but I didn't. I like cut people off cold turkey, but that's not how you do it either. But I was young, I was stupid, and I was really struggling, and I knew that God was the only person that was going to not fix me, but like help me through my struggles, give me strength, and I had to rely on him. And certain people were just enticing me back into the world, and so I had to cut them off. It's crazy how much an eyebrow just changes your face. I'm going to go make my coffee, and then I will chat with you guys about what I bring to church, like what's in my church bag, and we'll chat about those things, and then I'll read my Bible, so that way we can reset this day, because I'm feeling better. The crankiness has gone away some. So yeah, so I will be back in a moment. Alrighty, I have my coffee, put it on my little heater. So oh, you can't see me. Alright, so yeah, what's in my church bag? So this has been the bag that I've been bringing to church. Got this at a ladies' conference, so just been using it. It's just a canvas bag. It holds everything that I'll need. So what I'm doing, so I always have a notebook for church notes. I'm actually almost done with this one, and I don't know who's preaching today. Both my pastors are going through different things. One pastor's going through Judges, which I was really hoping he'd be done with Judges by the time we got to Judges, but he's on chapter 6, so yeah. And then the other pastor he was in 1 Thessalonians. So I'm gonna bring my both notebooks. This notebook, there's only a few more pages left, but I would like to fill it up with the rest of Judges from that pastor, so I'll bring that. I'm not sure who's preaching. And then I'm gonna bring this new notebook. This is just from Walmart. I got it on clearance for $3. I like nice journals, but I don't like spending money on them. So for $3, I'll do it. It's really nice. The paper is nice. So I'll bring this in case it's the other pastor, and I will be prepared that way. And then of course I bring my Bible. I forgot that I was trying to do a transition. Whatever, too late. So this is my ESV Interleaved Journaling Bible. I will highlight and write in here. I don't typically write notes. Oh, and I can show you a little bit of like my note taking that I was talking about earlier. I'm gonna do a whole video on it, but like, look how nice this looks, if you can see it. And then this is what I recently did. I just kind of added paper and which I do arrows and color code, but I just did the setup different, and it wasn't my favorite. We're not going to rip it out and take it out. I think I'm going to go back in and add more color to it so I can tell for sure what is what, because I think that's my problem. I can't differentiate where the notes go to, so I will fix that. And then my other Bible is my ESV Student Study Bible. I bought this 2019 Hobby Lobby. I had just switched over from reading KJV to ESV when I was reading through the Bible for the first time. And so I bought this and I loved it. And in here I write notes too. It's not an interleaved, like there's no room for notes, but I make it work. If you guys would like a video on how to add notes to a Bible that's not a journaling Bible, let me know, because this was my main Bible for a while and I've got notes in here, like. So yeah, so I'm gonna take my big Bible today, but I'll leave it out because I need to read. I have my little pouch with my pens and stuff, so I'll give you a little sneaky peeky of what's in here. I have little scissors. I have some some normal tape and then some document tape, like I cut off a strand of it. That's this, in case I want to stick any papers in there. Got some sticky notes. I have just little decals in case I want to add notes in here. Pre-cut paper, a bunch of pre-cut paper, different sizes, pencil. Then I have these big highlighters. I just do the whole pack into my bag for church. I like them. So that's what's in here. So now I'm gonna read my Bible for a little bit and then it'll be time to head off to church. Just finished reading my Bible, but I'm gonna get ready to head out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed something a little different than my recaps and Bible journaling, just seeing more insight into just everyday real life with me. So catch you guys in my next one.